Hello friends, welcome to Petaga Technologies. In this video, let's see how to convert this Power BI report to PDF file. In Power BI service, you can export your report to PDF file. Select a report to display it on the canvas. You have three pages. First one is managers and second one is team lead and third one is employees. When the report you want to export to PDF is displayed on the canvas, let's try to export to PDF. Now let me go to export and select, and in that you have three options. In that I will be selecting PDF. Once you select PDF, it will be grayed out. Once you select PDF, you will be getting a pop-up window. In that you have two values. First one is current value and another one is default value. If you notice here, you have export with current values and default values. Current values export the report in the current state, which includes the active changes you made to slicer and filter values. Most users select this option. If you have scrolled, current values does not include the scroll state of the visual, but instead exports the top portion of the data. Alternatively, selecting default values exports the report in the original state as the designer shared it and does not reflect any changes you have made to the original state. Additionally, there is a checkbox to select whether to export the hidden tab of a report or not. Select this checkbox if you want to export only report tabs that are visible to you in your browser. If you prefer to get all the hidden tabs as part of your export, leave this checkbox cleared. If the checkbox is grayed out, it means there are no hidden tabs in the report. You may also choose to export only the current page you are viewing in your report by checking the Only Export Current Page option. By default, this is unchecked and all pages will be exported from your report. After you make your selections, select Export to continue. Once you select Export, now you will be getting a notification bar. You will see a notification bar in the right top corner of the Power BI service browser window that the report is being exported to PDF. Exporting might take a few minutes, so it is still exporting. After the Power BI service has finished the export process, now that PDF file is downloaded. If you notice here, it is already downloaded in your desktop. Now let's open the PDF file. Try to open the downloaded PDF file. When you open the PDF file, you will be getting three pages. In first page, you are seeing the team production report, which is for managers page. In second page, you are seeing the team leaders page. And let me go to third page. In third page, you are seeing the employees details. To watch more videos, you can visit Petaga Technologies. To get notifications, you can subscribe to this channel and activate bell icon. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.